Hello everybody, very big hello to my twin flame community and all of my twin flame friends. This is again a twin flame teaching video that I'm doing today, and it is about the title below. So this is a very interesting topic. This is a topic which has 3D significance. This is not something in the 5D, also in the 5D, but this question more so connects with people on the 3D level, and this is the day and age of sexual matters, so it also interests people in that level, so what I'm going to talk about in this video is how does sex differ in between the masculine twin and the feminine twin, and how is it between the masculine twin and the karmic partners. Also, I'm going to speak about how sex is between the feminine twin and the karmic partners. Not to say karmic partners do not just exist on the masculine twin side, and there has to be a leverage, because I don't go into gender bias at all. I'm against it. So the thing is, let me first tell you about how the sex is between the masculine twin and the feminine twin. So when the masculine and the feminine twin come together, whether it is for the first time or the 100th time or the 200th time or the 45th time, there is a connection like this, Let's say these are chakras, Each chakra gets connected to the other's chakras. So this is the root chakra, this is the sacral, this might be the heart, this might be the crown, and in between all other chakras also, because I just have four fingers to show you, you should also understand that. So when the masculine and the feminine twin come together in a sexual intercourse, this is what happens. Besides the sex happening through the organs or through the genitalia, sex also happens through the energy points, where both the energy points mingle with each other, which is called a chakra merge, and we do these chakra merge sessions also, which are in 5D, and this chakra merge happens in 5D and 3D when you have sexual intercourse. This is how the masculine and the feminine twins, they come together during sex. So that is why the sex feels very intense, or it feels, even though if it is not a very great sex in 3D reality, if you compare it to your past encounters, it is very intense because the energy merge is happening. That is what makes it different from regular sex. Now the sex that the masculine twin has with the karmic partner is regular sex. There is no energy merge happening, and most of the times when he is having sex with the karmic partner, even though he hates you, he still has you in his 5D mind. He's still telepathically in contact with you, so he might make a very big mistake of when he's actually ejaculating. He might just say your name, the feminine twin's name, and he might get like shooed away, from that karmic partner. This has happened with many people, let me tell you that. So this can happen. Now what is sex like between the feminine twin and her karmic partner? Mostly the karmic partners who come into the feminine twin's life are divine masculine, so sex is again going to be very good. It's not the same sex as between the masculine twin and his karmic partner. Sex is not that good at all, even on a regular level, and also he's always thinking in 5D about the feminine twin, which makes it even more worse. It could be good one or two times, but it fizzles out. There's no connection, but with the feminine twin and her divine masculine soulmate or karmic partner, sex will be better than the masculine and his karmic partner. So another advantage that the feminine twins have, if you want to go into a sexual intimacy with the soulmate or karmic partner in your timeline that is required for you to reach into union, you may do so if it feels correct to you, if it feels correct inside, and sex is going to be good, it's going to be nice, it's going to be, I would say it is great sex, but it's not the same as energy merging, which is going to happen with your twin. So in this video I've described very clearly how sex is going to be between these different different dynamics with these different dualities of people, couple 1, couple 2, couple 3 couples I've described. Thank you so much.